If I told you that the most popular trading platform in India right now might actually be costing you more money than it's helping you save, what would you think? You see, these days, low spreads aren't everything anymore. As we move into 2025, hidden fees, slow INR withdrawals, and weak regulation can quietly drain your profits, without you even realizing it. So today, let's put XM and OctaFX side by side to see which broker truly supports Indian traders, and which one only looks good on paper. Stay until the end, because I'll reveal one hidden risk that even experienced traders often overlook. Most traders in India start with the same question. Greater than? Which broker has the lowest spreads? A fair question, but not enough. Because when you only look at spreads, you ignore the entire trading ecosystem, order execution, withdrawal speed, regulatory trust, and local support. You might save a few percent in trading fees but lose hours, or even days, waiting to withdraw your profits. That's when you realize, low spreads don't always mean cheap trading. Take a real example. In May, a trader from Hyderabad shared that his OctaFX withdrawal was held for over 48 hours due to manual processing. Meanwhile, his friend using XM received funds in his bank within just 3 hours. That's the real-world difference between nice marketing and a system that actually works. Now let's look at the part most people overlook: licenses and oversight. XM is regulated by 4 top-tier authorities: ASIC, Australia; FCA, UK; CYSEC, Europe; and DFSA, Dubai, ***. These regulators impose strict rules on client fund safety, capital requirements, and financial transparency. OctaFX, on the other hand, operates mainly under a license from *St. Vincent and Grenadines*, an offshore jurisdiction that doesn't require independent audits. Meaning if something goes wrong, it's very hard to claim your rights. Ask yourself, if you were to deposit your savings somewhere, wouldn't you want that place to be tightly supervised? Next, let's talk about fees and spread stability. A sensitive but crucial point. OctaFX often promotes spreads as low as *0.6 pips on EUR, USD*. Sounds great. But during high volatility, real spreads can widen beyond *2 pips. And you have zero control over when that happens. XM, however, offers ultra-low accounts starting from 0.8 pips. And maintains better consistency, especially during the London and New York sessions. You might think, that's not a big difference. But if you trade daily or scalp short-term, those small gaps add up fast. Now, let's move to local support *, something new traders underestimate until trouble hits. XM supports popular Indian payment methods, UPI, Paytm, net banking, and allows accounts in *INR*, no currency conversion. No hidden exchange fees. OctaFX also supports UPI and Paytm, but doesn't allow INR accounts. So you'll always face conversion costs. When it comes to customer service, XM has a dedicated India support team, responding in both English and Hindi. OctaFX doesn't have regional teams, and weekend response times are slower. And what about education? XM invests heavily in trader education, hosting weekly webinars in Hindi and English. Providing detailed guides, trading central analytics, and advanced indicators. OctaFX focuses on simplicity and copy trading. That's convenient for beginners who just want to mirror others, but limiting if you want to grow your own analysis skills. Here's a quick summary. XM offers global tier regulation, INR accounts, stable spreads, fast UPI withdrawals, deep educational resources. OctaFX offers simple interface, easy copy trading, low but unstable spreads, offshore license. If you're looking to build a sustainable trading journey, XM is the more solid choice for 2025. Of course, no broker is perfect. But often, The difference between a failing trader and a surviving one comes down to this: choosing the right platform from the start. Start simple. Open demo accounts on both and test them yourself. Don't just believe the ads, trust your own experience. And what about you? Have you traded with XM or OctaFX? What made you satisfied or disappointed? Share your thoughts below. Together, we're building a smarter, more grounded, and more resilient trader community.